Hey guys, today I'm doing an oil change on my '06 BMW. It's a 530i with a 3.0 liter. Yeah, it's a pretty simple one. Oil filters right here. Pop it open. Counterclockwise comes off. Oil fills right there. And it's got a 17 millimeter. Oh yeah. Got a 17 millimeter bolt right there. Where is it? Yeah, right there. And that's it. Drain the oil. Replace the filter. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Oh. Damn. Yeah, pretty simple. You got your filter. Comes with a couple O-rings. Yeah, it's got the big one is for the lid. The little one, I forgot where the little one goes. Then this one's for the bottom, I think, where it sits. And like I said, it's pretty simple. So let's get to it. Something's going on my phone. Here you go. Oh yeah. Probably gonna make a spill right now, but I don't care. It's all good. Got a tarp. Gotta wear your gloves, man, because that oil gets on you. It's nasty. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know when the last time they changed the oil in this car. Like I said, recently bought it. Got 110,000 miles. Man, it's gonna splash real good. This is gonna be a major mess, but see how I can get it. Damn, freaking phone. Just about. Damn, it stays long. Oh yeah, fill that in right there. That's how you do it. Yeah, let it drain. I kind of got it. But yeah, like I said, drain it. Oh. Oh, what a mess. Got oil everywhere. you drain it, and then that's it. Once it's fully drained, remove your oil filter, replace it. Don't forget all your gaskets, and then it takes 6.5 liters of the 5W30, and that should be it. Pretty simple. Hope it helps you out. All right.